Hi, I'm Jeff Langford with JDL Homes. I'm here in Burnaby, BC, and I'm going to explain to you why this basement is built with carbon fiber. Yes, you heard me correctly, carbon fiber in a basement. But before I get to that, I want to take a minute to give you the history on this project. This is a full gut renovation that we're doing. The house itself was built in 2004. When we stripped down the studs and the drywall in the basement, we actually found some pretty major fractures in the foundation concrete. Generally, they were originating in the beam pockets and then radiating out from there. With this information, the first step that we took was to get the concrete scan for the rebar to see what was going on beneath the concrete. The scan itself revealed that the rebar was undersized. They used a 10M bar instead of a 15M bar, and that the application of the rebar itself wasn't appropriate for the loads that are placed on this wall itself. So how do you fix a failing foundation wall when you have a house above and you're holding back a mountain outside? Well, the one true cost-effective solution is FRP. FRP stands for fiber reinforced polymer. And in this case, we're using CFRP, or carbon reinforced polymers. You can see the product here in its raw form. It's actually a nice fabric. It has a neat weave to it with the carbon fiber. It's quite pliable. It, again, just like a fabric sheet. But when it's applied to an epoxy coating, it becomes quite rigid, as you can see here in this simple sample. So the application of this product is really quite simple. There is prep that needs to be done to the concrete, and then a roll-on epoxy is applied, and then basically the product is just unrolled in a very specific pattern. Now this product itself, the engineering and the product was supplied by Simpson Strong Tie, and their engineers are the one to decide which pattern you're seeing here is applied. And that is based on your structural engineer specifications and load requirements for this particular wall. Once the product is done and it's applied and it is fully cured, you basically have, for all intents and purposes, a fully reinforced wall equivalent to a 15M bar on a 16-inch grid pattern, thus making it brand new and, in my mind, a far superior product. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and click the bell for future notifications. And if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section below.